My name is Cassie Stump, and I'm a patient of Dr. Kaplan. My cousin actually found Dr. Kaplan for me. I knew I always wanted to go the conventional route, but when I found out I had metastatic breast cancer, it was kind of a whirlwind for me. And so she kind of took the reins and she found him for me. I was just starting chemotherapy at Roswell, and about a month later I started with Dr. Kaplan. And before I started with Dr. Kaplan, I was not really able to do much. I was pretty much bedridden for the most part, with pain and with, just exhaustion. And then it seemed like once I started with the mistletoe, every time I would come here, I would feel more normal. By the end of September, I was feeling almost like, didn't even want to tell people how good I was feeling, because it was, I didn't want to jinx it, but here I am, this 8 months later, and still feeling good. Numbers are still dropping. And started with Dr. Kaplan getting 6 weeks of mistletoe therapy, which involved 2 days a week of intravenous, along with some other supportive IVs, resveratrol, alloy. And then I was also at the same time getting mistletoe injections into tumors that I had in my breast. He did what's called a SonoCine. Invasiveness is hardly anything. It was simple. And after we did the 6 weeks of mistletoe injections, we did another SonoCine scan, and it showed that those tumors are gone. Wholeheartedly believe that they are gone because of the work that Dr. Kaplan did. Not to knock the chemotherapy that I'm on. I think that also had a little bit of something to do with it, but I don't think that they would not be detectable on a scan had I not been able to come here and do what we did. I was scared that my mistletoe was up. I was like, oh, I feel so safe here, I don't want to not be in. Well, the idea isn't for you to move in. The idea is for you to not, have to cut. And it's like, that was just so reassuring to me, of what a wonderful human he is, because most doctors, you're there for life. You're their patient for life. And I mean, I'm with him for life, but you're not supposed to be here. The goal is to get you out of here, so that was nice to hear. With my other doctor, I never know who I'm going to get, and it's a new doctor, it's a new nurse every time I'm there, and they tell them my story again. So it's just been a world of difference. And when you come here, everybody here just is so loving, and is so happy to see you, and is rooting for you, and it's just so positive, and it's a completely separate 180. I mean, Dr. Kaplan's just a wonderful human. I want people to know that he's here, and that this is available, and that it works, and that it changed my life. I don't really know where I'd be without him. I don't know if I would feel as confident as I do day to day without him backing me.